Hi, I will be presenting my explanatory visualization. And the visualization challenge includes physician and department level performance compared to target values for 5 patient experience measures. My use case includes this visualization displays the average performance values of all the providers across all departments, comparing the national benchmark values and patient experience score within the years 2018 to 2019 by 5 performance measures that I've chosen. This visualization will give an overall outlook on the performance of all providers and departments. And this is the visualization I chose. I chose a bar graph. And I titled it Average Performance Values of National Benchmark versus Patient Experience Score by Performance Measures 2018 to 2019. I chose a bar graph because it's very easy to read, and you can clearly see the highest and lowest performing performing departments, and you can clearly see that the performance measure, how well your providers communicate, has the highest score for national benchmark. It has the closest to highest score in the patient experience score, but that goes to the highest score goes to patients' rating of providers for the patient experience score. This By doing a bar graph, it can help whoever needs this information to uh, look at what departments need improvement in certain experience measures. Clearly, the measure that needs the most help by looking at this visualization is getting timely care, appointments, and information. Um, that measure in all areas, in all the departments, and across all the providers needs major improvement. It's the lowest in both the patient experience score and the national benchmark score, which is significantly low. But communication seems to be the main one that doesn't need as much improvement as much as getting timely care and appointments and information. Hopefully this bar graph conveys what you've asked, and I hope it's fine. But thank you.